How to create catalog of your store? You open the Foray application, go to the products tab. The first time it will be empty. On the top right side you can see one plus symbol which indicates that you can add the catalog from here. When you click here you will get two options. It will be about whether to add single product or to add multiple products. I'll show you both ways how to add. First we'll go to add multiple products. Here you can see a list of categories is there. From here, this is through master catalog. So all the products are added in our system. You just need to select and edit the prices from it. Here I will select. You'll click on the category. You will be shown the subcategories. Here I clicked on fruits. Then I can see from there exotic and fresh fruits. These are the two subcategories. Select the subcategory, and it will be expanded where you can see all the products in it. From that you can just select which all products you want to add to your catalog. I have selected these 4 products. Now these will be shown in the draft section from where you have to first edit the prices. So click on this arrow, edit the prices. Of the variations that you have. Once this is done, you just mark them all live. In case you want to update some more details of it, you can just click on the product. You will click on the product and some more fields will be available to you. You can just update all these stuff. Now you'll be able to see all these products added to your cart. Once you make it live, it will be shown even in the customer application. The customers will be able to see. Now how to add a product from a single product. Click on add single product. You have to type the name of the product and you will get the suggestions. Once you select from the suggestions, which will be from the master catalog of the system, you will get all the options, all the variations that are associated to it, all the pictures associated to it. If you want to add more pictures, you can add from your side as well. Similarly, you can mark which all variations you have as in stock or out stock depending upon whatever you keep. You can also put the products in spotlight, which means in the customer application it will be shown separately and people will be able to see it before, in spotlight products, and save this. You can also remove the variations that you are not selling. Now this is saved and this is in your products. So here you can see when you go to categories, you are able to see 2 categories with all the products that you had added earlier.